Sydney-siders spent most of Sunday indoors as the entire city was drenched.
Through Middle Harbour this afternoon, visibility is just so incredibly low in our harbour.
Our long, wet summer stretches in these.
Hi, today we're going to hang out with Joe and Elle, Kuz and Charlie's Tuma. And Cici too. She knows. So we cut the potato, olive oil, rosemary.
Fresh rosemary. Sea salt.
Okay, now we preheat the oven 195 degrees for 45 minutes. Of this beautiful lamb marinated. It actually mixes itself. I'm gonna film this.
Heat on. Turn the power on.
It's so exciting. Why don't you use a bowl?
You ask so many questions. Start. It starts turning.
Yeah.
Egg.
Oh!
And that's why it's in a cup, not a bowl.
So that
Answer
it's
your
easier
question?
to pour.
Easy to. Annie's not just a pretty hot Asian. She's pretty smart too. Down. All goes down.
It goes for 3 minutes.
About 3 minutes. Okay.
That's easy.
That makes it faster.
This side, Elle's making the pasta sauce. Garlic, fresh chili, and parsley.
Wine. We will need wine.
Woohoo! Oh my god, smells so good. I'm so excited. I'm going to be on diet tomorrow.
No, I'm training for tomorrow.
I'm going to F45 with CJ.
Hey?
I've never been, by the way.
That's so good.
Oh, wow. Sea salt. You know what it looks like? Now, yeah. It's better now. That's supposed to be.
So it doesn't stick together. It's all free. So it's a balance because
Well,
the
that
problem
looks
with
better.
the recipe is if your eggs aren't big,
Oh, look at it. Keeps
Yay! How cute.
Cute. Yum, 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 yum.
Now I finally kind of did one with Elle. Look at how serious she is.
That's so tasty, huh?
Canned tuna.
Do the peas go in it too? No, I'm gonna just do steamed veggies inside.
I strongly requested.
bellissimo pasta.
How cool is this? Who told you to get this? Someone must recommend
Simon.
it. Oh.
Simon Napoli's got one. So let's see this one. So it's all free.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
best.
Yeah. That
And it goes into the thing, come up perfect.
These, he's within a few minutes.
Well, That's my favorite vegetables.
Oh wow.
Wow. Is it good? Oh.
It's gonna be drunk in like 5 minutes.
Hunter Valley Shiraz from 2011. The team.
You wish to be on my kitchen rules?
Yes, you guys should go. Oh my god.
Use it with the water.
Sissy!
What's this cruise? Yeah, that was really ceasing.
See, we can do a cooking video. What can you cook, TJ? What about one of your like very fancy vegan fruit? Oh! How did you make it like that? Yeah, how? Tell us.
Shush, Cece. She can smell the food. She's like, feed me!
Cece!
You can try a little bit.
We're so lucky. Why are we so lucky?
Good?
Good. This is really tasty.
Oh.
Dinner's ready, guys.
Wow, those potatoes are good.
Ow, your potato's so good. I don't want to eat potato.
Come on, dinner's ready.
Just put it in your plate.
And is this your wine glass?
Yeah.
Please sit down, honey. Michael, grab your wine. You got everything?
Is this my seat?
Yeah, whatever you want. There's lamb with mint jelly, snow peas, pasta, salad. Potatoes. You vegan?
He's not.
It's alright, honey. Like olives?
Yeah.
No. Chilies? No. And?
Yes, please.
And too busy watching one of my videos.
To be honest. It's hot, be careful.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
It's for olives.
Oh.
Michael, pasta?
What's better than Netflix, wine and pasta in a rainy Sunday night?
What are we playing for?